So what's really awesome is no matter what kind of day I'm having, whether it's gloomy outside or sunny, the San Clemente Pier is always a place I can cruise to and just refresh my state of mind. I'm just sitting right here on a little block wall. Behind me is the San Clemente Pier, the famous fisherman restaurant also behind me. The point of today is I just want to give you guys a glimpse, a quick tour, if you haven't been here or maybe you have, of the pier. So we're just going to cruise and go walk it, check it out. It's actually really cool too because there's some waves today, the surf's firing, and I'm stoked for you guys to see this. Let's go check it out. So this is like the main hub right here where the little San Clemente Beach Trail comes in. It's the base of the pier. Right across the train tracks here, you've got Bear Coast Coffee, Katarina's. You've got this little crepe spot that my wife and I really like. We'll come get a crepe or a little scramble. It's just a fun place to walk to. So let's go cruise the actual pier itself. This is also the middle of San Clemente's Beach Trail. So 2 miles this way, 2 miles that way. And the beach trail is a really fun place to come and walk. We do it a couple times a week. It's really nice. So this is where the pier starts. We're on the pier planks now. Now on both sides of me is the fisherman's restaurant. Over here, it's kind of like more sit down. Over here is more bar action. Fun place to come get oysters during happy hour, drinks during any hour. Let's go check out this sign too, read some of the pier rules. No chumming. Don't leave any fish remains or seaweed on the pier. Use cutting boards and knot benches. 2 pull limit per person. No bikes, no dogs, no alcohol, undersized fish, or overhead casting. Don't feed the birds. Lobster season dates, no smoking, and definitely don't jump or dive from the pier. The coast actually kind of bellies. You know, you envision the California coastline as kind of being straight so often times, and it's a really cool perspective to just see how it bellies up and even down towards Cottons, where you can see the surf is going off down there too. So this is the end of the pier. Super peaceful out here. It's a completely different perspective on things because you've got the surf crashing on the beach, you've got the wind kind of blowing onshore, the train's coming right now, but out here, it's all just kind of peaceful, quiet, a really nice, different perspective than being on the beach. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick pier tour today. It really doesn't get to look any better. Sunny, there's waves, the temperature is perfect. If you guys have any more questions about the pier or what there is to do around here, drop a comment below and we can start chatting. Talk to you guys soon.